Hi, my name is Jerry. I'm over here at John's house on Teresa Lane. I'm gonna do a shingle repair here. You can see this is a damaged shingle. Wind caught it, put creases on it. All right. So if I look, I can see the shingle ends right here. So I'm gonna take up these three. All right, now I gotta take the ones above it, break those loose. Reach up and pop the nails. Slide this new one in. Let me see that snake real quick. Got these nails that they're hitting. But if I lift these no more than 45 degrees, I can see, if I wipe it, yeah, there's a lot of granule loss. If you zoom in on this, these shingles are just going to keep losing granules. So when you try to repair one and it does the damage above it like that, it's not repairable. You're going to make more damage than you are fixing. All right, so this is a fail. Anything?